Hello everyone, SD and with me Shubham from Blenderphile, and this is the node concept. And today we are doing the magic texture, and yes, the second last texture. Next is the point density, which is really awesome texture and has been introduced in, I guess, Blender 2.75. So it's very new and really awesome. So to reach that, let's just quickly finish the magic texture. So magic texture is one of the very rarely used texture, and we'll be using a UV sphere instead of a cube. And let's change this to the node editor. Now add in a new material and change that to texture magic. Go there. So boom. So I'll do that and probably bam. So that's what magic texture does. So it generates a psychedelic pattern. So psychedelic is like a hallucination when you are on drugs. So that kind of hallucination. So things like that. So it generates basically the pattern. So I'll turn that to vector, and it gives a color output and a factor output. So the color output is actually having a random hue and saturation and value, and the factor is black and white. So that's it. And then there is this depth. So what depth does is increases the kind of detail or number of layers of colors to work around with. So yeah, that's basically what depth does. So you can just play around with that, and once you find a nice one, you can just stop at that point. And next is the scale. Scale actually scale actually increases the scale value, and you can see more number of patterns, smaller patterns, and more number of patterns appear now. And then the next is the distortion. Distortion distorts that, and now it's noisy. So yeah, you can just play around with that until you get nice noisy pattern, and you can play around with that. So that's what magic texture does. So it's not so fruitful on its own. It looks not that good, but you can play around with that to get something really nice. So for example, here we have this, and if we use it something like shader with diffuse over there, and let's say a glossy shader, bam, mix it around and go into there and use this as a factor and another color. Let's change it like that. Boom, now you can see it looks nice-ish. And you can plug that into vector and like that. Oh, wrong one. This one's vector and that one. So no, the vector's not working like that. So let's leave it right now. So yeah, it just uses to make patterns like cloth, or with some future variation. You can use it as leather, and there with some more different kind of pattern, you can change the contrast and things, and you can use it like for fish scales and things. So yeah, there is a tutorial on some examples of use of magic texture. You can see the link over here, and that is there in the description as well. So yeah, you can see that thing, and that will explain you some uses of magic texture. But yeah, it uses some more complex node setups, which is not discussed over here. So yeah, that's basically the magic texture. Real simple, and I hope you understood what it does and learned something. And you can subscribe to stay tuned to watch the point density node and future tutorials as well. So yeah, you can also follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/Blenderphile, and we hope to see you in our next tutorial. Bye.